In a community already weakened by conflict, Oba's house was lost in the flood. The numbers told one story. Oba could feel something deeper was missing. Reconstruction focused on roads, crops, clinics. Important, yes, but Oba felt something else had been swept away. What about the stories shared over cooking fires? The songs, the prayers, the planting secrets. Oba began to gather these invincible treasures, each one a seed of who they were. Friends and neighbors joined her, even newcomers who had fled conflict and drought. A living library of cultural wisdom emerged, resilient to conflict, disasters, and climate devastation. Across Niger and beyond, communities like Oba's are interweaving and strengthening their communities and societies. The impact of loss and damage on social cohesion is under-recognized, yet crucial, especially as displacement reshapes communities. As climate uproots more lives, what's lost isn't only land, and what will save us isn't only what can be seen.